All right, it's episode 6 of our layering fragrance series, and I have 2 different ideas. I'm going to do one on my right arm and one on my left arm using 2 separate fragrances for each side. So let's get started. So everyone says with layering, you want to have a note that's the same. So I thought, why not iris? Because I have 2 iris-centered fragrances, and we'll see. Both of which I like, both of which are complement fragrances, so what could go wrong? So for my base, I have Dior Homme Intense. This is one of the best sophisticated, classy fragrances I have. I love it. I will say, lately I have been going with the Gentleman Reserve Privé, which is also iris forward, but this is a good one. I'm gonna start with this. And then for the one on top, I'm gonna go Prada L'Homme. This is a office safe, non-offensive fragrance. Again, it's very soapy because it's a Prada. Most Pradas are soapy. I think this will make a good top. So let's try it. Squirt, squirt. Honestly, I think that was a much better atomizer than the Dior was. Now, on my left side, I wanted to try a more like oud type fragrance. So I'm going with this. This is Oud for Glory by Lattafa. This is a Oud for Greatness, which is an Initio fragrance clone, and it is a very close one. So we'll do the base of that. Not the best atomizer, I gotta be honest. And then I wanted to go with like a vanilla, but I just did a vanilla one recently, so I thought, why not go with the Ganymede clone Celestial? This is by Paris Corner. This is a very good clone. Much better atomizer. Worst bottle though. All right, if I'm honest, Celestial has totally this entire room smelling like it, so this may be a powerful side. But I'm gonna start with the one that's drying. Okay. It's kind of what you expect. It's an iris fragrance. You know, you definitely get that Prada L'Homme on top. It has that nice bit of freshness with it. And then you have a little bit of a heavy darkness because of the Intense from Dior. But yeah, it works. I mean, it's not the greatest. If I'm honest, I would rather just wear Dior Homme Intense or just wear Prada L'Homme. I think that would be a better option. But I do see what people mean by picking a note and using it. So the iris is working. Now, the one that I'm smelling, the whole time I'm smelling that, all I can smell is this. Oh, dang, this is good. Okay, so both are very sweet fragrances, which I didn't think about that when I put these together, but it's actually working really well. So you have that oud sweetness, because again, Oud for Greatness is an amazing fragrance, so Oud for Glory had to be on the same par, so they did a really good job, surprisingly, especially when you consider the cost of that, of bringing in that scent profile and really working with it. And then Celestial, if you haven't smelled Ganymede, it is a very sweet fragrance. This is not sickly sweet. This is not like your candy sweet. This isn't like a bitter peach sweet. This is just a nice sweetness blending together with the notes. And this works really well. This might be worth it, actually. This might be worth getting like a decant and just spraying the 2 in there and having a little Frankenstein fragrance. I may have found a good one. I could actually see myself rocking this in the colder days. I may have to do a follow-up and let you know how this performs, because both are decent performing fragrances. Together, would they be amazing fragrances? I don't know. Oh, so good. I'm still getting more more Prada L'Homme than I am Dior Homme Intense. The Prada, again, it's top level. And actually, it is a better atomizer. Maybe that's why. Maybe I actually have more on me. Who knows? Yeah, that works really well. I like it. Again, I don't think I would do it again, but I like it. I do wonder if I had... Let's do it. One second. All right, you know how this works. Further up the arm we go. Now for one of my favorite discontinued fragrances, and one I don't spray that often. Prada L'Homme Intense. Let's see if it's better than the Prada L'Homme. I mean, it is better than Prada L'Homme, but you know what I mean. Oh, I love this fragrance. Why did you discontinue it? So good. All right. Letting it just dry a little bit. Oh, this is so good. I do like Celestial a lot. That oud sweetness is coming through from Oud from Glory. Really good. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to make one of these. And okay, but I'm liking this a lot better. It is a lot better. So let's see. While this dries, I'm gonna make that decant. So for those of you that don't know, they sell these. Gonna keep that in. For those of you that don't know, they sell these little travel atomizers online. You can get them on Amazon or Temu. They're really cheap. At the bottom, there's this little hole here. And so what you do is you pop the little top off the atomizer and just squirt it in. So let's go. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. And the fun of me popping this off and hoping I do it right. Easy, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. About dropping it though. All right. See if I can do this where you can see. Hopefully you can see. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a little bit more than that. Definitely seeing that this atomizer is garbage. There we go. That should be good enough. Pop the top. Easy. See, just comes right off. Now, this should go a lot faster. Oh yeah, try to make you see it. Oy. I wonder if this little squirty sound is coming through my microphone. One more. All right. And then it is foam. So shake it up a little bit. Let's try this. It's actually a pretty good atomizer. Barely took anything out. Let's see. Yep, it's working. I may have to take this on one of my upcoming trips. This might be a good one to have. We'll see. So now that that's done, this is dried. It's working better, but I think it's only working better because I like Prada L'Homme Intense better. I don't think it's melting better. I do say because it's a darker L'Homme that the Intense is coming through a little bit easier, so you're definitely able to smell that. I think just wear either fragrance and call it good. This is not worth it. So maybe I need to think up a different way of using the same note in the future. But the winner, oh man, without a doubt, this is so good. This is really worth it. So again, I'm not a layering fan, but dang, this is good. I may have found a fragrance I will be wearing a lot of. Oh, so good. So anyhow, this is Nub's Fragrances. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you have any fragrances you want me to try out together. And then again, thank you so much. Please follow and subscribe for more of these videos in the future. I'll talk to you soon.